Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off Kwambambo in the Mbambo household. It's in the morning. Umandula's busy making breakfast. It looks like it's a busy morning. So Mandula's busy calling out for Usangweni there. She's like, Sangweni, waza phela ngikwenzele le oyithanda impela. Wazabo. As she's calling out for Usangweni to come and have breakfast, Uvelepi walks into the kitchen and she's like, Auntie, akekho bone i-access card yami la endlini. Yazi angiyitholi. She's looking around for it. As she's speaking like that, Umandula's like, how kanti? Uphi Sangweni? Wavela wayinweba manje. Uzoshawa isikhathi for isikolo Sangweni. Usibongile walks into the kitchen. She's like, Auntie, azange uyibona ilotion yami yokugcoba kade la ekamereni izolo. Ithathe wena Velephi. Uvuma walks into the kitchen as well. Uvuma's like, hayi bo mntanami Sibongile. Njengoba bokade ugcwele la buphithizela la ekhaya, sokwazi njani thina ukuthi iphelelepi ilokhuzana yakho yokujobisa. Uvelephi's like, hayi kodwa baba ayikho shele nto ayikho fair lo nto ishoyo, because naku ke lana silahlekele izinto zethu la endlini asizithoni. Guys, you know that thing about having funerals clean, ukuthi every time once people go, there's always things that are missing during funerals. Anyway, Umandula's like, Auntie, uphi Sangweni vele? Sangweni. As she's calling out for Sangweni, you guys, Sangweni opens the door, uvela phandle. I'm like, where is Sangweni coming from extending kangaka? Angazi ukuthi did he take a walk uyoshawa umoya or what? Angazi. But anyway, Usibongile's like, Baba, ngiyahamba ngibuyele esikolweni. Then Uvuma's like, oh, Usibongile's like, yeah, Baba, umningi umsebenzi that I've missed out on. Kodwa ngikhulume ne-lecture yami and ithe izonginikeza nje usuku to go over the work that I've missed out at school. Then Uvuma's like, hayi kulungile mntanami, kulungile Mageza. Umandula's like, hayi bo Sangweni, wanje iphi uniform yasikolo? How kanti awuye esikolweni? Sangweni just looks at her, he's like, oh hayi cha, angiye esikolweni aunt. Uvuma's like, kahle-ke. Usho ukuthini uma uthi ukuthi awuye esikolweni ngelanga lesikolo? Yila ozoya khona-ke. Uya esikolweni wena njengamanje. And then uSangweni says, umuntu onelungelo lokungitshela lokho baba washona sesimngcwabile. I'm like, yo. Usibongile then says, hayi bo Sangweni. And then Usangweni just walks out, leaves them all there in the kitchen, and everyone is just speechless. Guys, Usangweni is going through the most for him to say that to Uvuma. Yeah. Anyway, next thing, Uvelepi is at work. She's doing her thing, working there. Then Usipho walks up to her and he's like, Velepi sithanda sami. Uvelepi is ignoring Usipho. Usipho goes on to say ukuthi cela ungixolele, ngiyaxolisa about what happened ngalela langa. Ukuxosha nje kabuhlungu kanjeyana bekungekho right. Ngizozama sithanda sami ukuthi ngizilungise izinto sithanda sami, ngiyacela cela ungixolele. Uyamazi nawe ke ubaba ukuthi ustrict kanjani, kodwa empeleni like ngiyaxolisa sithanda sami. Uvelepi just turns to Usipho and she's like, ngiyavuma. Usipho's like, uyavuma, uvumani. And then ulokhuzana Uvelepi is like, ngiyavuma Sipho, ngizokushada. And then the scene just ends like that. I'm just like, what is motivating ulokhuzana Uvelepi to say yes? Because mina when ulokhuzana, when Usipho went down on one knee, I thought ukuthi Uvelepi really thought ukuthi Usipho uyadlala. So what's motivating her? Is it that Usipho uthole une-internship lana emgazini factory, or what is it? But it looks like Uvelepi is really ready and serious to take this relationship to the next step. Anyway, next scene, girl, we see Uneli Beno Mavis. It looks like they're at Ukwenza's apartment. They are decorating there, nama rose petals, like something very cute. Then there's a screen, La Payana, it's written Happy Valentine's Day. I'm like, hey, bo, Happy Valentine's Day, yeah, because Valentine Dala rule. Anyway, all we see is Ukwenzo walking with Usbongile, and then he lets her walk in first. So Usbongile walks into this dining experience where there's like a table for two, there's juice and that like very cute type of vibes. So Melangen Usbongile, Uneli no Mavis are like surprise. And then Usbongile is confused. She's like, Kwenzakalani? Like, Kwenzo, like, what's going on? Ukwenzo's like, surprise, Thandwa Sam. Then Usbongile is like, ha, Kwenzo, like, angikholela mina yonke lento engiyibona lana. Ukwenzo then says, yeah, ngithena ake ngikwenzele lokhu Sibongile. He takes her hands, he holds her hands. He's like, ngiyazi ukuthi you took some time off nomndeni wakho. And then saphuthela usuku lwethu lweyithandane. So, Ukwenzo wakwaDlamini wazitshela ukuthi angeke yenze intombi yakhe iye evarsity singa-celebrate-anga. So guys, Thanda Sami, this is for you. So I guess Ukwenzo, because they could not celebrate Valentine's Day together, he's trying to recreate that type of vibe tonight or in this episode. So then Ukwenzo goes on to say, so Thanda Sami asihlale phansi. He pulls out a chair for her, and then Usbongile is like, Kwenzo waze wakuhle lana. Ukwenzo's like, yeah, let's make a toast. They lift up their glasses that have juice, and then Ukwenzo's like, to us, Thanda Sam. And then Usbongile is like, to us. Then the scene just ends like that. It looks like, guys, they are really trying to work on their love. Listen, I did not see it working out, but that means these two people really love one another, because I mean, just last week or a few weeks ago, they were going through the most, you guys. Next scene, Usamke, she's sitting at Amberen Liga Sipo, and she's busy reading ama messages on Udeliwe's phone. So she's reading those messages out loud. Phetheni uzongiziba kuze kube nini. Kusho ukuthi uDeliwe sending a message kuPhetheni. Phetheni uzongiziba kuze kube nini. Usukhohliwe ngemfihlo eyenzeka phakathi kwethu engisayigcinile yonke le minyaka. Usamke, she looks so thrilled by what she's reading. She's like, hey. She goes on, she reads on. And then uDeliwe wrote there on that message ukuthi yekela ungiziba Phetheni, or else kuzongiphoqa lokho ukuthi ngikhulume. Usamke is like, hey, I wish ukuthi bewusazoshuba lana. As she's still reading the message like that, ulokhuzana uNtombela shouts out for her name. Kusho ukuthi he's looking for Usamke. He's like, Samke, ulaphi? He opens the door, he sees Usamke sitting on the bed. He's like, oh, ulana. Eish nkosi yami. Usamke is like, alright bhuti. uNtombela is like, ngingaright kanjani ngihlutshwa yilo muntu wesifazane okhohlakele. Usamke is like, muphi umuntu wesifazane? uNtombela then says, hayi man, ngikhathazekile sisi. Soloko samngcwaba uDeliwe, hey, uyangihlupha emaphupheni wami. Hey, uyavutha. Angazi ukuthi ngamenza njani lo muntu wesifazane. Usamke is like, unesiqiniseko salokho? Mhlambe ingqondo yakho awucabangi kakhulu mhlambe. Like, I mean, ukushona kwaDeliwe yisipho esivela kumdali. I'm just like, hey, bo, Usamke, what do you mean? uNtombela looks at Usamke and is like, yisipho? Ukhuluma ngani? Usamke is like, hayi bo, ngisho isipho because of angithi mina eMbalenhle, isitolo sakwaMbalenhle. Hayi bo, ngaba ngikhuluma ngani bhuti? And then that scene just ends like that. I'm just like, Usamke, she has a dark side, you guys, and I just feel like we have not seen all of it as yet. Next scene, we see uVuma ukwakhe. He's sitting in the kitchen. As he's sitting in the kitchen, uMandulo walks in. uMandulo's like, oh bhuti. uVuma's like, Mageza. Mandula's like, nakhu-ke lana. She sits down, she gives uVuma like an envelope and a book as well. And then she says, nakhu-ke yiminikelo yabantu-ke. Bonke abantu abanikelile ngibabhalela phansi. And then uVuma's like, oh Mageza, ngiyabonga sisi. Bengaba yini kodwa ngaphandle kwakho. Ngiyabonga Mageza. Yazi umama ngabe uyaziqhenya umama uyaziqhenya la ekhona ngendlela esibambene ngayo sisi. uMandulo then says, how? Uyazi bhuti mina hlezi ngikuthanda. Ubhuti wami nje. ngingenza noma yini for wena. Kodwa bhuti kunento eyodwa nje engicela ukuthi ungenzele yona bhuti. And then uVuma says noma yini sisi. uMandulo says Mageza, lento yakho yokuthi uyacasha uyazifihla la endlini awufuna ukubona ngabantu ayingeke. Mele uphume manje uqale impilo yakho uqhubeke ngempilo yakho phambili nje uphile. Ungazivaleli ingathi uyacasha and awufuni nabantu ukuthi babone. Usamke Mageza, awuzame ukhuluma naye nakhe leli khaya lifudumale ukuze nabantu mebengena lana endlini bazi ukuthi hayi ikhaya lifudumele leli. uVuma zakhe ngiyakuzwa Mageza futhi-ke uqinisile awukhuluma amanga. Angithi nje sisi ngizozama ngizokwenza umnyakazo njengendoda. And then uMandulo says Mageza, yabona if ungangenzela leyo nto nje how ngingakhululeka mina ngisho noma ngingathula ngingavuki. uVuma zakhe hayi Mageza hayi bo. uMandulo zakhe hayi ngingakhululeka ngaphakathi nje. uVuma zakhe awukudlala ngokufa kanjalo awuyindawo wena sisi usazophila. uMandulo zakhe hayi bo ngiserious if ngingathula nje sengazi ukuthi wena uhleli kahle hayi ngingakhululeka. uVuma zakhe hayi ngiyakuzwa Theneze ngiyakuzwa sisi. Then next scene ngempela guys we see uVuma he is on his way kwaMbalenhle. When he gets kwaMbalenhle he stops by the door and he decides to practice ukuthi uzothini uSamke. So he's practicing underneath his breath. He's like okay Samke sesikhule ezintweni eziningi ngiyacela let's leave the past in the past siqale kabusha. He breathes in and out and then angene. Once he gets in there ubona uSamke uVuma zakhe uSamke that time ngiyambona ukuthi uSamke she looks busy guys. In fact she looks like she's about to head out ingathi iyaphuma. uVuma zakhe sesidlule ezintweni eziningi ngiyacela ukuthi uSamke zakuvuma ngiyaphuthuma kwamanje ngempela khona la ngiyakhona ngeke ngikwazi ukukhuluma njengamanje. uVuma then says hayi into encane nje ngeke ithathe nesikhathi eside ngiyacela nje ukuthi ungilalele ukuthi ungiphe nje umzuzu. uSamke like lalela Vuma ngiya-understanda kodwa ngiyacela okwamanje ngijahile isikhathi siyangishiya. And then uVuma's just like shocked because he practiced everything in his head. He didn't anticipate ukuthi uSamke is not gonna have time to talk. And then uSamke's like ngicela ukhiye. uVuma zathi angizwanga. uSamke zathi kumele ngikhiye Vuma kumele ngihambe. uVuma like oh okay siyakhiya-ke aphume uSamke akhiye and she leaves like that and it ends like that. Next scene ke uSibongile we see she's sleeping on uKwenzo's bed. uKwenzo sitting there on the bed and he's watching her as she's asleep. So you know guys ukuthi mawulele like you can feel when someone's literally like looking at you. So Sibongile avuke-ke and she's like ufike nini lana. uKwenzo then says phela it doesn't just rain on any random day when you find ingelosi occupaye umbhede wakho. And ke I was lured by your beauty ngazithola nami sengihlele eduze kwakho. uSibongile then says yazi Kwenzo usuku lwanamhlanje nje boluspecially boluluhle nje luphelele lungashodi ngalutho. Then uKwenzo just smiled. Then uSibongile zakwenza ngicela ukubuza umbuzo like kuphatha kabi ukuthi uthandana nentombi eyintombi nto. And then uKwenzo's like not even a bit bambo lwami. Sibongile ngakuthembisa ukuthi ngizokulinda mina futhi lokho ngizimisela ukuthi ngikwenze. Sibongile nginawe and nginawe ngoba like ngiyakuthanda hayi ngoba uyintombi okay. And then he kisses her forehead you guys and then the scene ends like that. Last scene ke uNjengaye is in his office. It looks like he's leaving a voice message for uThemba on his phone. He's like mfana wami yazi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe ngilapho Themba kodwa ke mfana wami kuzokusiza ukuthi ustretche ustretche enzele ama-muscles abe flexible, abe strong. Mfanami, good luck. And then that's in his phone. As he's ring the phone, guys, there's a knock on his door. He turns around. He's like, Samke, like, sewufunani lana? Usamke angene, uSamke's like, sawubona. Unjela is like, if uzofuna uphetheni akekho. Then uSamke is like, ngize kuwena njengaye. Unjengaye is like, mina kanjani? Awuthi ngilandelisise lana. Uthi wena uze kumina ekubeni mina nawe ayikho into esihlanganisayo. uSamke just smiled. Then uNjenga is like, yabona Samke, cala nje ungenzele ifavor, uphume nganomnyango lo ongene ngawo. uSamke is like, yazi ngingathanda ukuthi ngiphume nganomnyango kodwa uzosisola uma le mfihlo le ingaphuma. uNjenga is like, ukhuluma ngani? Yiphi imfihlo? uSamke smiles and she keeps quiet. uNjenga is like, khuluma. uSamke then says, unkosikazi wakho akasiyona le ngelosi ocabanga ukuthi uyiyo. And then unokhuzana uNjengaye just keeps quiet. uPhetheni uSamke then says ukuthi bowungazitshela ukuthi uzozwa lokho angithi. uNjengaye is like, lalela la, ungazongibhedela la, ngicela ukuthi uphume lana, siyezwana. uSamke is like, let me just say this, unkosikazi wakho ngingayibeka kanjani? Kambe liphi igama engalisebenzisa? Uyaheqeza, akaziphathanga kahle. uNjenga is like, ayisuka wena, yikho lento oyikhulumayo. uSamke is like, uPhetheni lo ocabanga ukuthi uyizulu ebekujolela wena. Oh, ubungazi ne? Kungenzeka namanje ukuthi usakujolela. And then the scene ends like that. But uNjengaye, he looks so confused, you guys. Whether he believes it or not at this point, listen, guys, uSamke uyitshalile imbewu, and listen, things are about to go downhill from here, guys, and we can't wait to see how is things gonna unfold. Is uNjengaye going to confront uPhetheni? What angle is he we don't know, you guys. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. Guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.